3, 2, 1.
Which school in Surrey, England did Steve Backshall attend? The answer is A. Collingwood College. Which of these countries' capitals starts with the letter B? The answer is C. Lebanon. Which company did Bethesda purchase the Fallout series from? The answer is C. Interplay Entertainment. What was the name of the device used by Scarecrow in Batman: Arkham Knight to cover Gotham in fear gas? The answer is B. The Cloudburst. In what sport does Fanny C.H. Meller compete for Germany? The answer is D. Skiing. In the server hosting industry, IaaS stands for. The answer is C. Infrastructure as a service. Who wrote the Scarlet Letter, published in 1850? The answer is B. Nathaniel Hawthorne. A classic 1976 song by Blue Oyster Cult features the advice, "Don't fear the what?" The answer is B. Reaper. In what year were achievements added to Steam? The answer is D. 2007. In what year did the First World War end? The answer is A. 1918. Which of the following is not classified as a Semitic language? The answer is C. Sumerian. What was the name of the teenage witch played by Melissa Joan Hart, who lives with her witch aunts Hilda and Zelda? The answer is A. Sabrina. What element does the Zinogre use in Monster Hunter? The answer is A. Thunder. Which country had an orange revolution between 2004 and 2005? The answer is D. Ukraine. Where are the cars of the brand Ferrari manufactured?
The answer is A. Italy.
Which of these is not DLC for the video game called Tabletop Simulator? The answer is B. The Binding of Isaac: Four Souls. How old was Lawrence Fishburne when Francis Ford Coppola cast him in Apocalypse Now 1979? The answer is D. 14. Why was the character Trevor Phillips discharged from the Air Force? The answer is B. Mental health issues. What is the name of the dog that played Toto in the 1939 film The Wizard of Oz? The answer is A. Terry. Who is the dumb blonde character in Nickelodeon's The Loud House? The answer is B. Lenny. What scientific suborder does the family Hyenidae belong to? The answer is C. Feliformia. Which radio personality calls himself the king of all media? The answer is C. Howard Stern. Which of the following countries was not an Axis power during World War II? The answer is A. Soviet Union. Which iconic character is featured in movies such as The Enforcer, Sudden Impact, and The Deadpool? The answer is A. Dirty Harry. Which of these is used to show that Earth spins on an axis? The answer is D. Foucault pendulum. In the show Fat Albert and the Cosby Kids, what is the name of the character's fictional gang? The answer is A. The Junkyard Gang. What rock group is named after a gym teacher who taught at the original band members' high school? The answer is B. Lynyrd Skynyrd. What is a fundamental element of the Gothic style of architecture? The answer is B. Pointed arch. What is the Italian word for tomato? The answer is B. Pomodoro. Which survivor in Left 4 Dead sacrificed themselves to save the other survivors? The answer is A. Bill. In the television show Lazy Town, who is the actor of Robbie Rotten? The answer is D. Stefan Stephenson. What is the name of the main character of the anime One Punch Man? The answer is A. Saitama. Amsterdam Central Station is twinned with what station? The answer is A. London Liverpool Street. Which esports team came first place in the International Dota 2 Championship 2016? The answer is A. Wings Gaming. Which of these Cherry MX mechanical keyboard switches is both tactile and clicky? The answer is D. Cherry MX Blue. Who painted The Starry Night? The answer is B. Vincent van Gogh. On which aircraft carrier did the Dulit raid launch from on April 18, 1942 during World War II? The answer is C. USS Hornet. Which franchise does the creature Slowpoke originate from? The answer is B. Pokémon. Who was the first emperor of Rome? The answer is C. Augustus. In DC Comics, where does the Green Arrow Oliver Queen live? The answer is B. Star City. When was Pong released? The answer is C. November 29, 1972. What is not a wind instrument? The answer is B. Viola. In which year was the pen and paper RPG Deadlands released? The answer is D. 1996. What does the letter S stand for in NASA? The answer is B. Space. Prior to 2018, which car company is the only Japanese company which won the 24 Hours of Le Mans? The answer is D. Mazda. Which animation studio animated the 2016 anime Mob Psycho 100? The answer is C. Bones. Which boxing personality was one of the presenters in the 1999 revival of It's a Knockout? The answer is D. Frank Bruno. What is the main theme song of Sonic Adventure 2? The answer is B. Live and Learn. The title of Adolf Hitler's autobiography Mein Kampf is what when translated to English? The answer is A. My Struggle. The C programming language was created by this American computer scientist.